Alright, this is fight number 2, and we have Frank the premature goose and John the Inferno puppy. Yeah, good job, John. Alright, put your mouthpieces in.
Listerine.
The Listerine mouthpieces. Ready? Wait until the music begins.
Go,
Stop pushing out. Get him! Get him! Keep it going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Kick him. Kick him.
He knows the code. It's not about salary. It's all about reality and making some noise. Making a story.